In this video, I'm going to work on labs, Docker labs based on command and entry point. So here in this lab, there are 6 questions. Let's solve one by one. The Docker files for commonly used Docker images are given in the root directory. That is the current directory. Inspect them and try to answer the following questions. So I'll see the current directory is root and I'll just check the list of files. So here you can see there are 4 Docker files which are present. Okay. So let's see what is the entry point configured in MySQL image. So this is MySQL image. I want to find what is the entry point. So what I'll do is I'll just cat this file. Okay. So here the entry point is mentioned as docker-entry point.sh. That is this one. Now question number 3. What is the CMD comma configured on the WordPress image? So let me check the WordPress image. Cat WordPress Docker file. Okay, so what is a CMD? CMD is this one, Apache 2 foreground. That is this one. Okay, what is the final command run at startup when WordPress image is run? Consider both entry point and CMD instructions. Okay, now they're talking about WordPress. Okay, so I will just copy, so cat this. Okay, now they are asking both entry point and CMD. Entry point is this one, Docker-entry, and CMD is Apache 2 foreground. That is this one. Okay, what is the command run at startup when Ubuntu image is run? Okay, let's check the Ubuntu. Command run at startup. So this is a bash command. Okay, the last question. Run the instance of Ubuntu image to run sleep 1000 command at startup. Run it in detached mode. Okay, Ubuntu image. First, let's see what is there in the Ubuntu image. A Docker file. Okay, so here we have to mention sleep as 1000 at the command startup and run it in detached mode. Okay, so here we have to mention that sleep 1000. Let's take the hint. Okay, so detached mode is like daemon mode. We are running it and then we are sleeping it for 1000. Okay, 1000. So let's run this. Say docker run -d, name is Ubuntu, and sleep 1000. Okay, now it is running. So let's see if it is uh, docker ps. Sorry. Okay, docker ps to see the running container. So we can see this is a running container, and the command is sleep 1000, and the image is Ubuntu. And the name that it has taken is some random name. Okay, let's click on check. Okay. So in this way, we have completed the lab commands and entry point. We have seen that 4 different Docker files, and in that we have seen how command and entry point are mentioned. And then we have also run a Docker container with sleep 1000, and then we are able to see that it is running state. Thank you.